Hey, wanna sell on Amazon in 2025 and make some serious money? Amazon isn't just a marketplace, it's a powerful search engine where millions find products daily. In just 10 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through every step to start selling, pick a winning product, and avoid costly mistakes. So let's just go ahead and dive in. First, create an Amazon seller account at sellercentral.amazon.com. You've got two options: individual, which is free but charges 99 cents per sale, or professional, costing $39.99 monthly with no per sale fee. Go for professional if you plan to sell more than 40 items in a month. It's cheaper long term and unlocks advanced tools like bulk listings, advertising options, and detailed analytics. Sign up by filling out the forms. Enter a business name, address, bank details for payouts, and tax ID for compliance. Verify your identity with a phone number or ID if prompted. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes and you're ready to sell. Next, the most crucial step, choosing a product. Step 2. Choosing the right product is the foundation of your success on Amazon. It can make or break your business. Start by exploring Amazon's bestsellers list at amazon.com/bestsellers. Look at the top categories like kitchen dining or health and household to see what's trending. Check the top 10 products in each category, look at their prices, how many reviews they have, and their position on the list. If a product is ranked high, like in the top 50,000 or better across Amazon, it means it's selling a lot and has high demand. Then use a platform like SupplyLeader.com to dive deeper. As a service with a database of over 1 million products, we understand market trends and demand. Search categories on SupplyLeader, for example, kitchen gadgets, and find a product like garlic press selling 5,000 units monthly at $12.99. Click into to research keywords. Look for terms like easy garlic mincer with high search volume, say 10,000 searches monthly. Analyze the competition in Amazon search results. Is there one dominant seller, or are there sales and they're spread across many listings? You want high demand and low competition, basically. If you find a keyword with big searches but no clear product leader, meaning sales are scattered, that's your opportunity. People are searching but can't find the perfect item. That's the power of smart product selection. Take your time here, it's worth it. Now on to step 3. Once you've picked your product, it's time to find a reliable supplier who can ship to your country, even if it's just a small batch or a couple of samples to test quality. Stay on SupplyLeader.com for this. Click on your chosen product, like that garlic press we were talking about, and explore supplier options. You can search by uploading a photo of the product using keywords like garlic press, or request a manual search for an original brand distributor through platform managers. This last option is crucial if you're reselling branded items. You'll get proper invoices to avoid Amazon account issues. Filter by minimum order quantity, start with 10 to 20 units to minimize risk, and check supplier ratings or reviews on the platform. Request quotes and ask for samples if possible. Most suppliers from our platform will ship to the US or Europe for a small fee. Compare 2 to 3 options for price and shipping time before committing. Finding the right supplier keeps costs low and quality high. Step 4. If you're going the private label route to stand out, brand your product. Check our earlier video on the Matcha whisk set for a full guide on doing this for free with AI tools. Think custom logos and packaging and stuff like that. Then use SupplyLeader's AI feature to analyze competitor reviews. For example, upload data on similar garlic presses, and the AI will scan through feedback to suggest improvements like add a cleaning brush or make handle non-slip. These tweaks help your product win on quality, giving you an edge over competitors. Even with a small batch, branding and enhancements make your listing pop on Amazon, and that's a real game changer. Alright, now step 5. Prepare your product for Amazon's warehouse using FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. You're gonna need barcodes for each item to comply with Amazon's rules. The easiest way is to buy a unique UPC barcode from GS1 US. Go to their website, select Get a Barcode, and purchase a single UPC for about $30 or a batch if you plan multiple products. You'll get a digital code instantly. Print it using a basic label printer, which costs approximately $50 to $100 on Amazon, and stick it on your product packaging. Alternatively, save time with SupplyLeader.com. We inspect products, print Amazon-compliant FBA stickers, and handle literally everything before shipping directly to Amazon's warehouse. And you don't even get to touch the product. Delivery is integrated on the platform with cargo insurance, or choose any shipping method you prefer, alternatively like DHL, FedEx, or USPS. To find Amazon's warehouse address, go to Seller Central, click Send to Amazon, and follow the prompts for shipping labels. This streamlines the process so you can focus on selling, not logistics. Step 6. Finally, list your product on Amazon to start selling. Log into Seller Central, go to Inventory, and click Add a Product. Choose Create a New Product Listing since you're doing private label. Select your category like chicken and dining and fill in the required fields. Upload high quality images. I think we're talking like 5 to 7 photos showing your garlic press from different angles, plus a lifestyle shot like mincing garlic in kitchen. Use ChatGPT to craft a catchy title up to 200 characters like Ultimate Garlic Press with Cleaning Brush Stainless Steel. Write a description, 200 to 500 words, highlighting all the key benefits. Effortlessly mince garlic in seconds, and so on. Make sure to include some bullet points, up to 5, like durable stainless steel, includes cleaning brush and ergonomic design. Don't forget to include keywords like garlic mincer, kitchen gadgets, and easy garlic press in the description, and search terms fields to rank higher. Find these in Amazon search bar autocomplete or on SupplyLeader Analytics. Set your price, say $14 to $99 to cover fees and profit $3 per unit after Amazon's 30 to 40% cut. Choose Fulfilled by Amazon as the shipping method since your stock is at their warehouse. Review everything, then click Save and Finish, and your listing is live. Congratulations, you're now selling on Amazon. So basically, that's how you start selling on Amazon in 2025. Follow these detailed steps, pick the right product, and use tools like SupplyLeader to avoid burning cash. Subscribe now for more Amazon tips and e-commerce hacks. All our videos are under 10 minutes and jam-packed with pure value. Comment below with your product idea and I'm gonna help you brainstorm. Let's build your Amazon empire together, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.